the feathers out. Oh, pulling his feet off.
It's protein.
Diane, I love your commentary. Play by play. Oh, that's so nasty. Let me see if I can get closer. Now that turn the light.
I got it.
Stuff.
Okay. Oh, no, you can still see me.
Let's see your legs.
Here, you hold it and hold it out. And I'll get it.
Huh?
Just hold it. Not with your hand in front of the thing.
Dummy.
You got it?
Yeah.
Take it. Put my hand in front. Yeah, that's cute, Diane.
He's just playing with it.
Mm. He's not skinny, so he eats well.
Well, he catches birds. Fresh meat.
That poor bird.
Well,
It had no
I
chance.
caught it. I don't know what kind of bird it is. I don't see birds look like that around my house.
just because he eats them all.
Yeah. Look at
He's
you.
a playful little kitten.
I wonder how old it is.
It's a he, it's not a it.
Well, he is. Look at the feathers. By the time he pulls the feathers off, there won't be anything left.
He can't eat feathers. He has to eat the meat.
It's so cute. He's like, I am ferocious. I will eat you.
I do all that just to get to the meat. That's like my neighbor had a cat, and the mockingbird kept teasing it because they're mean.
Yeah.
It kept dive bombing it, and the cat was sitting there. One time it died.